Hi, I'm Chris Carson. I'm a partner at RPC Consulting, and I lead our insurance management consulting team. One of the great things about being a consultant is that you get to work with many different companies, often in quite difficult situations, and you get to learn from them. I've been a consultant for many years, and I've seen some kind of the good, the bad, and the ugly of things that work and don't work in the insurance industry. One of the big things that I work with insurance companies on doing is actually managing their cost base, and it's a big theme right now in the insurance industry just because of the difficult market conditions, flat rates, soft market, low investment returns. So managing costs has never been more important for an insurance company. And I've worked with a lot of companies in different situations, and I just wanted to share some nuggets of things that I've picked up about what works and what I think doesn't work in cost management situations. The big message that I think or the big lesson that I've learned is that we always have to remember that 70% of an insurance company's expense base is made up of people cost. So we need to manage people well to manage cost well. And one of the easiest ways to do that is really thinking, what is our strategy and what people are needed to deliver that strategy? How do I align the best people in my organization with the things that we're trying to do to make us distinctive and make us successful? And I think bringing that focus through a cost reduction or cost management program is imperative. In years past, we'd see companies look up and say, we've got a big cost challenge. We need to take 20% out of the organization. And they'd simply instruct their managers to go back and whack the budget in the coming year. And it kind of worked at one level because they would just run people out of their teams, but it never changed who they were or how they did things. It simply meant they were doing the same old things with less people. And that doesn't really work long term. What you really want to be doing is saying, our strategy is about doing some things differently. We want to become more customer focused. We want to become more customer friendly. So how do we empower the people who engage with our customers to do that even better and help reduce the cost associated kind of behind the scenes? So things like compliance costs can come down quite significantly if you're able to deal with customers much more effectively in their first call rather than their third call to you about the same problem. Complaints go down, obviously. The other side of it is that a smaller, more focused, more nimble company usually doesn't require the same sort of infrastructure around it. So the cost savings can come in other areas of the business. And I think it's picking up that kind of vibe in a cost reduction program and saying, this is who we want to be, this is our strategy, let's align our people to that strategy and then take that forward. Helps you save a lot more money in the long run and create the company that you want to be.